Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to tell you that how to make a bootable USB with like two softwares that I have for now, like Rufus and the Windows 7 USB DVD tool. Using this tool, you can also make like a bootable DVD or USB, whatever you would like to make. So let's go ahead and install the software. Sometimes the software requires like .NET framework files, but whenever or whatever it requires, it installed by itself. And sometimes when you update your window, you already got like .NET framework files. So hopefully it's not gonna ask me to install those required files. So that's it. So this is the icon I installed for Windows 7 and USB DVD tool. All I need to do is very simple, very easy to use. So like as you can see, I'm gonna open the software. Here you go. It's asking me to download and install this feature. So let's do it. It's not gonna take that long, so it should be good soon. So I will fast forward the video from here. So that's it. You might need to restart the app over here, so just close and reopen this application. As you can see, it's asking for the ISO file, which I already put it over here. I will also provide you the link in the description, so you will be able to download that. That is actually Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, and it's pre-activated. Once you install it, there will be a folder or a file on the desktop. You need to run that file and it will activate your window by itself. So let's go ahead and select that ISO file from the desktop. That's the file I just selected. Hit next. Is going to ask you to either you want to make a USB or you want to make a DVD. So I'm going to put like 16 gigabytes of USB in my computer. Like you can see, this 16 for I think it's 8 gigabytes. So let's hit USB and just gonna select by itself the 8 gigabyte of USB. So just hit begin copying and it's gonna erase your USB and start gonna copying your files from Windows, or you can say like extracting your ISO image of Windows 10. Once this copying will be done, and you will be good to go to put it into the computer or laptop you want to install your window, and from the boot menu select the USB, and it should be good. After that, I would definitely try to make a video about how you can install Windows 10 or 7 or 8, whatever you want to, but I'm definitely going to make a video about using the same USB installing Windows in the laptops. So this is the one software you can use, and for the copying files and everything. Once it will be done, I will show you how it's gonna look like in the USB, and USB icon is definitely gonna change. If you have like a 6th generation or 7th generation or 8th generation laptop, you can download the ISO file from the Microsoft website, and in that case, most of the latest generation, they already have the Windows key into your built-in into your BIOS. So once you install it, they will activate it by itself. But sometimes you don't. You need a pre-activated Windows, and you can download anytime. I'm definitely gonna provide you the description and the link in the description. My bad. So let's wait until this gets complete, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see that I saw complete 100%. Let me go and show you the look. How does this USB looks like after it gets completed? So as you can see that this USB icon is changed into like a Windows 10 bootable icon. So if you click open, you can see all the files, and you can also run the setup in from here. So to make sure that USB is perfectly burned or not. So as I click on the setup, you can see it's preparing the setup. So that means like USB is successfully bootable now. So here you go. Either you want to update or not right now, just do it as you want it. You can restart your computer, boot with the USB, and I will definitely make a video on that. That will be like a part 2 video, so you can do as you want to do. Okay, so now this software is done. So the second software is kind of like Portable. You might heard about it before. So it's like a Rufus. All I need to do, double click on it to run this software. Yes, so it's asking for the device. It's already picked up 8 gigabytes, the one I already put in there, and I need to click select for the image, and that's already on the desktop like this. And here's the informative thing, like MBR and the GPT. Some of the BIOS are running in legacy and some of the BIOS are running in UEFI. If it can show you that UEFI or non-CSM, if your BIOS is running in UEFI, use GPT. So that will, once you're gonna boot from USB, it's gonna show up over there. If your USB is burned in MBR, it's not gonna show you while you are like restarting your laptop or computer and trying to boot from the USB. It's not gonna show up until it's GPT. So MBR will work with the legacy and GPT will work with UEFI BIOS system. So all I need to do, hit now start. It will reformat your USB again, and we'll start burning it. So once this will be done, I'll be back and we'll show you that it's successfully bootable now. And let's just wait until this gets completed. Alright guys, so as you can see that it's also completed now, and you just need to hit close, and let me show you that it's working or not. I will go ahead and open this PC and run this setup to see if it's working or not. So if it's working, then it means we are good. Here you go, you can see that it's working now. So all you need to do now, reboot your computer, boot your computer or laptop with the USB. It will start running your Windows 10 setup. I'm also gonna put like Windows 7 download ISO link in the description. So if you want to download the activated Windows from HP, you can download that ISO file, Windows 10 ISO file, and you can also download these two softwares. I'm gonna leave the link in the descriptions, so you should be good. So that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you would know next time whenever I'm gonna post a new video. That's it for the day. Bye.